morning.
Ah, just what I needed.
Have you seen Speed? He wasn't upstairs in his room this morning.
You know, honey, he's been on guard for days.
He's really worried about that horrible maniac, the Silver Phantom, isn't he?
I'm afraid this guy is extremely dangerous. We know he is driven to destroy Speed and the Mach 5.
This is so terrible. Why would Speed follow in his brother's footsteps and become a racer? After what happened to Rex, I thought Speed would completely turn his back on cars.
I understand why you've been so opposed to it, but Speed still remembers Rex as a brave hero, and he's determined... Good morning.
Speed, where on earth did you go?
Just scoping out the neighborhood, Mom.
Told ya.
Hey, what's going on? Is something wrong?
I was just wondering if you really truly wanted to drive race cars.
Well, of course I do, Mom. What else?
Your mother still can't believe it. You were so much against racing after the crash.
Well, that was then. This is now. Remember what Rex said when I was younger?
Speed, dare to dream big and become the world's greatest racer.
It's hard to believe Rex said that.
Mom, look, I'm sorry.
I do understand. You're all grown up now, son. You and you alone should be able to decide what you want to do with the rest of your life.
Thanks a lot, Mom. I'll do my very best.
No need to worry. The Safety 7 system will protect Speed. Rex's Mach 5 will never fail.
As long as I can keep it away from the Silver Phantom.
You got that right.
I'm heading out for a while.
Oh, hold on for just a moment.
What's that for?
You're going to visit Rex's crash site, right?
Oh, wow, Mom. Nobody can read my mind like you can. Trixie?
I'm glad I caught up with you. I went to Hibiki Motors and they told me there's no sign of the Silver Phantom. Hey, pull over. Come on. Here you go.
Ah, the picture you took the other day.
How do you like it? I did a terrific job, didn't I?
Well, you can tell it's me.
Speed Racer, Trixie Fontaine, and the new Mach 5 make an incredible debut. And a star reporter is born.
Way to go. Well, I got errands to run. Later.
Hey, wait a second.
Can I help you, ma'am?
Please fill her up with gas, and could you watch my car for a while? I'll pick it up later.
Hey, wait!
Thanks.
Wow, it's the Mach 5!